good afternoon and welcome aboard this 2024 Sea Ray 310 SLX with outboard engines. It's a great day boat, perfect for entertaining, tons of storage on this boat, tons of seating, and we'll go through the boat starting from the stern. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 400 V10s. So this is one of the newer engines that they have out. It's a perfect platform for this boat. It's a 50-mile-an-hour plus boat with this engine outfitted. Great for towing, tubing, or just speeding across the sound. You'll notice on the port side of the swim deck there is a fold-down seat. So if you just wanted to go waist deep into the water and stay on the boat, you could fold that down and sit right there. On the back, we've got adjustable backrests. Pull this little lever here, get comfortable with your feet hanging off the back, and it drops back down, and standard backrest here. Coming on board, we've got a freshwater washdown, cooler storage underneath here, and this optional step platform depending on if you're on a dock or a lift, what the height is. It's easy to board right down here. As we come aboard, you'll see that we've got storage space, garbage, we've got a freshwater sink. We've also got a prep area, prep surface, which is made out of corian. Shallow box, fill this with ice, put your quick go-to beverages, and then a deeper box for larger bottles. Underneath this prep and sink area is our refrigerator. And just to note, this boat has been optioned with the shore power. So if you did want to keep things refrigerated while you're underway and you're going to come back out the next day, you can plug right into shore power and keep the refrigerator on overnight. Got beautiful seating arrangement. This is the stone interior color with stone flooring. It's also got LED light bands around underneath the seating. It gives it a really cool look at night. We've also got another hidden storage underneath these cup holders here. This one is very deep, so tons of wet storage in there if you needed to. All these storage compartments are drainable. Spot for our cockpit table, and above me is this beautiful hardtop with the Sure shade, which extends out over the aft seating, and we've got our opening sunroof, which is a manual opening and closing sunroof. Just slides closed when you need some shade, opens right up, locks in place when you want to get in some sun. As we move forward, we've got storage underneath the center of the cockpit. We've got a reversible seat, so you can be seating forward underway, spin this around, and enjoy the rest of your friends on board the boat. On the port side, we've got the head area, very well finished head, finished materials throughout, sea deck on the flooring, storage space, freshwater sink, glove box storage for quick access items. And at the helm, we've got two dual touchscreen Simrad displays. We've got our joystick control. This boat has been outfitted with a Simrad VHF to tie in with everything. Very clean looking, sharp looking, modern, simple to use, and a beautiful design that Sea Ray has done here. As we move up to the bow, we've got very comfortable seats with armrests up here, storage underneath all the seats. There's actually very large storage underneath me, which I'll show you. Dedicated storage for this kidney-shaped bow table. And if we open this up here, take a look underneath and see you've got room for an entire day's worth of towels, bags, water sports toys, anything that you could think of bringing for a day trip on this boat. There's so much room to have a full day adventure. We've also got the powered windlass up at the bow. Really nice fusion audio system, and just the whole finishes of the SLX, even having the stainless steel grab rails wrapped in their leather. It's a beautiful boat, and we'd love you to come down to Westbrook MarineMax and come see this boat in person.